you ready to be abducted? I hope so, because I'm Brad Fanshaw, your mixologist, and I'm going to bring you a vodka drink called the Abduction, and it goes with Man Seeks Adventure, episode 91. So let's get started. This is a great vodka drink. We're going to take 1.5 ounces of Grey Goose vodka, then about 3/4 ounce of this ginger syrup. Now I took some ginger, fresh ginger, and I mixed it up, cooked it up into a nice syrup. Now that syrup is going to give us some great flavoring. Then we also made an orange mango carbonated water. Now look at that. We've got some great flavors happening here, because the Abduction is going to take you to worlds that you've never been to. We're going to take our ice. Lots of ice. Be real liberal with the ice because you want this very cold. And we're going to stir this. We're not going to... This is a stirred drink because we want that syrup to get very... dispersed throughout, and that'll really bring that gingery flavor in with the orange and the mangoes. So once we think we have that right there, we're going to strain it into a glass. And we're going to garnish it with some dried mango and some dried ginger. And there you have it. You're ready to be abducted. Goes with episode 91 of Man Seeks Adventure. Cheers. Oh, I think I'm being abducted right now.